Then oh, Jagger says Zoey dash her belly sometimes ago, some years ago. So oh, you mean Zoey never breed young? And your mouth asleep, you drink aisle. So you not make Zoey turn back the belly. Hey, anything in a Zoey wash it out now, you know, because you can't have the people that get beat up on the internet to talk about Zoey front fat and she bring food fetus. I think it's Jaden sent Kitty, you know. Jaden, where you eat my for? You go like a me idea, mother Jaden. Where you eat my for Jaden? Where you send your people them after me for Jaden? Jaden, me and you didn't never cross shade the same time. Why you send your people them after me? Jaden, you know your torment, you don't have no birth paper. I wonder if you're fully immunized. It's okay, where you eat my for? And I meet on Paris in a butch. Where you eat my for, Kay? Kay, me no want dip up underneath in because it's a dog gone with the nature. Let's talk about Keith Ramsey and how he might hurt everybody. Hey, that's true. Let me back the phone. Me show you the new UFO let go in Kingston, Jamaica. Because we don't want to talk the truth some of them. The new UFO. New UFO. Then you tell me this now. Now CuteBoss outside this. I see this now. Then who set up CuteBoss so now? The person who do CuteBoss is like this wicked. CuteBoss supposed to can't think straight. And a tomorrow I want to chat this. Look on this. Then know which part them grab this from. More know which part them grab yes from. Other part of the story they may try work out and no one can work it out. Which part them grab this from and shot under filter, you know. Then you can imagine how it look without filter. Me say I can't know them favor hurdle through them scatter, you know, 400-meter hurdle. Yeah, it have a gap, man. It have gaps. No, it's true. Me don't know which part them grab that from. But a back way them take her. Me think say a back way, me think say she never know. Somebody say I draw them dry with pencil. No, me think say she favor sketch. For sure. Them, of course, what you mean? Them gather thoughts, man. Them gather it up. She supposed to can't think when she done. When she done, she supposed to can't focus. All them can't know they with blind, you know, then if she hey, me feel say a person. Me feel say a person. When me tell you say UFO rampant in a city Kingston. When you think a joke, oh you mean leave her? Are you mother? Don't block the individual here. Don't block the individual here, please. Are you mother? Oh you mean leave her alone? Are you mom? Me just ask you something, baby girl. Me just ask you something. Eh? Cause she all a fade, you know. She all a fade. And that one class, people. Eh? Me just ask you something, baby. You gone? We need justice. Mika, what you mean leave her alone? Eh? Yes, I'm an auntie. Well, your auntie come suck out me from back ways, my love. Your auntie don't look good. Your auntie have an emoji on her belly. Your auntie pum pum look like man sorry in her belly. Cause I write up this pum pum the which part of her navel for the CuteBoss have a high waist pum pum I walk with. Yeah? Remember we see it on her belly. Your mother belly ugly and has completed. Your auntie belly ugly and has completed. Ask you a PE skirt. What you say? What you say, Mika? Boy, are your auntie, then you proud for call she aunt. I saw your head side look to. Alopecia shot from Shebada basic school. I just ask you something, girl. You want let me hear your cuss. You know, cuss some attack. I some communicate. It might sound aggressive, but no aggression in there. Yeah? She have alopecia from Shebada basic school. Things on your mouth her head like she used to sleep on piss up sponge. Eh? A long time she have practice prison. I just ask you something. Why Annie keep saying Zoey never breed young? Oh, you mean Zoey never breed young? Then Zoey, I want the blow. I want one in I will run over the bush the same and see if I can find Anthony. Oh, you mean Zoey never breed young? Where Anthony, where Annie mean? That means says Zoey. Then oh, Jagger says Zoey dash her belly sometimes ago, some years ago. So oh, you mean Zoey never breed young? Annie, your mouth asleep. You drink aisle. You drink aisle, Annie. So you not make Zoey turn back the belly. Hey, anything in a Zoey wash it out now, because you can't have the people in get beat up on the internet to talk about Zoey front fat and she bring forth fetus. Our CuteBoss call fetus fetus. CuteBoss, remember we dash with fetus. Our CuteBoss talk about the can on. No, Annie, come here. Then, oh, you mean, at the second time I hear you talk them something about Zoey, you know? At the second time I hear you talk them something about. Then Zoey have read and I hide it. That's why Annie says, see, they have her. So don't tell me, say, you're going to hide Zoey like me, car. Me not like this, Annie, you hide your kids, them when them belly puff. Me not like this. Annie let out the children, them man, like per usual. So when Alexa go breed, Annie, oh, you mean where is Zoey now? But come here, Waffles. I see why you have the name there. Waffles. Can you not think straight, you know? CDA don't have Zoey. Zoey is in the house looking at us chatting. She and her mom and her sister. Zoey is in the house. You not here. If the boy did get locked up now, Zoey that they beside Annie, but it look like the boy gonna take full responsibility of the belly. If Zoey had breed. Because so them say, it is alleged. Somebody say Alexa undercover gay, then Alexa must be undercover gay. If everybody in the house have man, then you think Alexa go one. Then me could have in a house with so much woman and mama change man, and me not ask her for bringing one. One yeah man. Alex no must love man. Alex have to take man. I wanna see the truth and I hide it, and when Alex come on, him have a little gay shyness about him. And you pick them have the same smell, you know. Zoey smell like how she cry though, them mouth always wide. Me don't know how them do it, but Annie bring forth the good things them. Of course, him must close with Yankee. If Annie collect Yankee cocky in her body, Zoey good at, hear about Zoey, Alex good at suck it so. Then you can see big good around in her house, so you not snip, not suck. You have to sniff Alex, something have to go on in the house. Me don't know but me not ramp with body though. One thing with me not ramp with body, me can't see body swinging an underpants so in front of my face every day. I mean a massage it. Me have to massage it for safe life still in night. Mouth to mouth resuscitation. Yeah, awa. Then Yankee cannot swing that something past all my face. So you know say I pay a low bed in Annie house. Pure low bed. Annie bed the low like Rosalie toilet. Yeah. Yeah, bend down low, let me tell you what I know. And then me could make that go on and I didn't know say mommy never go keep Yankee long. And over to Westmoreland just like Aki walk from Mika to Annie to Zoey. And maybe Alex did get liquor too. If Jagger never rode him, could have feel up Aki walk. Yeah, Alex used to always run Yankee everywhere he goes. So who did say Annie and Yankee did there? Maybe Alex and Yankee did there. Come on man, on a little bit of mix up on my program though. Why not call up Annie name and Yankee name? Why would not call up Annie name and Yankee name? I'm a little bit in trouble, so I'm not chat people, you know. I'm not chat people, and every day you come over here with people name. Every day you come over here with people name. Somebody asks if Alex gay, go over Annie and make me say, she don't answer you properly. Ask her if her son gay. Say if Annie, if the mother gay, what make the son wouldn't gay? If Zoey a finger man in them bottom till him come. What Alex a do? Alex just sit down say in the house, come on man, we gotta play dress up. Annie promote party. Zoey a come. Then you say Annie want no money. Lord Jesus, Kitty they on my program again. I want black Kitty. Kitty you go put me in a mix up. Kitty me you now go Jamaica October. Kitty leave me alone. We're not going to Jamaica October. Kitty you know say you provoke she this Jaden doing I make me and Shake angry and not just the other day she called me and the two we apologize to each other and say we're going to be back friends. Kitty you get a vision, you have discernment. Cause you want to mash up these things. Discover thank you my baby. You want to mash up this thing. Kitty, where you played me for the same thing you do diamond. Kitty, come here. I want to ask you something. TikTok employ you for torture old people. I want if TikTok employ you for torture old people. You go off for the age, you know, Kitty. You go off for the... Kitty, don't go for the age of the people. Look how I sit down for my program in peace. In peace. I don't say I take set pan Jaden, so you know. What wrong with them people here, man? You think me and you and Sky Diamond come down October? Jesus, Kitty say me and I have to go down October. Oh Lord have mercy. You mean business? Shay, if you're out there, you hear the threat, I apologize. Believe me, I do. Don't put my name on the immigration form, Shay. Shay, don't put my name. Cause Shay, I never say nothing bad boy, you know, it's Jaden. It's Jaden. And Kitty say your foot big like size 20. My God, we can't hold her one day. It's a Kitty say you walk with the nephew him. Say it's Kitty, me don't know what of them, and me hear you threaten some of them and say you want to kick them with your big foot. Say Kitty say your foot you wear size 29. I'm glad when you did go to never look at your foot. So Kitty can't question me, say. Yeah, it look like the shoemaker where you go. It look like them and Kitty are reason. Shay, be careful who you make shoes for you. Them a care back your name. Them a care back your name to your nemesis them. Them a care back your name, Shay. Them a care back your name to your competitors. Yeah, Shay, be careful. No buy no more shoes from nobody with no people. Yeah. You didn't, but the camera was on it, Lord Jesus. Them say me put the camera up on Shay foot. You know one come and mix up this, Lord Jesus. Every day them draw me in a mix up. Every day them can't make me keep my big jill of salvation with my having on me. Every day them draw me in a mix up. Mr. Kitty say me and I have to go down at all. Lord Jesus, Kitty out for me. You know, say I think says Jaden send Kitty. I think it's Jaden send Kitty, you know. Jaden, where you eat my for? Yeah, go like a me idea, mother Jaden. Where you eat my for Jaden? Where you send your people them after me for Jaden? Jaden, me and you didn't never crochet the same time. Me and you crochet the same time, you know, so why you send your people them after me? Jaden, you know your tormentor, you don't have no birth paper. I wonder if you're fully immunized. Because you're born with that looks there, you know. You're born with that looks there. Are you coming to Jaden's party? Oh, if I come to Jaden's party, I'm a run off. Oh, if I come to Jaden's party, I'm a run off. Girl, what kind of Jaden party you ask me about? Eh? You see me run off a foreigner, you ask about Jaden party. You know, say Andrew only say, we can't drive with the hand out the door, we can't drive with no phone case, and we can't drive even eating bubble gum. You know, say a prison Jamaica town. Then why me should I really want to come down? And just so luck we figure too much parties. Oh, you mean me can't run off again? Girl, as we step out of the plane, me dash my passport, I can't even find the hummingbird. I can't find the hummingbird. Right now, me I look a white man for married me. It's a white man, me I look for married me and wish me up in the sunset. But no white man no want me. The whole of them full of grey more than me. All of them full of yesterday me see one white man a back with him turn and the whole of him shots in a film batty hole. Me I wonder if I vacuum me breathe me out. Yeah, everything just gone up so whoops. No escape film bottom. Him well stuff, you know. So you tell me the truth now. I mean I want no Mexican because for them spice I gonna make me sit down on the toilet seat like Rosalie. Yeah. So I don't know who can help me out in a life. We don't have the baby for when I want to know. We can't lend me him.
No, eh? Asian.
Caucasian?
Asian.
Caucasian? Asian? Or Asian?
Asian.
And the round face people them there, you know. I don't want to know the phenomenon. I don't want them only have a little mouth in but them short back big like Zoey. Cause you notice that them alone can swallow 6 eggs back to back and them take egg like peel.
Anything from China?
Me don't want nothing from China, that's why I shop at Shein. Me used to China. Which other man you have to give me? Me that take all the African now with him big nose. With him nose, when him come on me may stifle. Yeah. When him come on me may stifle because the ear of me for taking him, I taking the whole of that. So me they put because them nose big like donkey, you know. Yeah. Me have a brother went out with it young, him nose they big too. But no, me don't know him grow it out. So there is hope.
King Jesus.
Anything one? King Jaffe Jofa, ruler of Zumunda. Me that take a African man, me not tell no lie. Me that take a African man, one tall African man, but me can't make fufu. Somebody asked Amy for the recipe for fufu for me now. Somebody said Andrew knows. If Andrew did ever block me, that give him a one eye, you know. But Andrew not black. I mean, it's a brown man with big nose. Andrew knows remind me of one sweet pepper out of back market. For sure. You know, when them used to sell for $50. Didn't come in as me talk about $50. As me talk about $50. What are we one Irish potato in a Franklin town for $140? 140, me glad me no name Irish. Me glad me no name Irish. After my mouth na empty like CuteBoss outside. Me glad me no name Irish. Lionel, it is a CuteBoss skin, you know? Lionel, it is a CuteBoss skin, you know? Lettuce for $1,400. Remember that I sick of people are foreign, so me not have to name that. 197 now, mobile. Then Lionel look on the art and craft, yeah. This is a sketch, you know. Lionel tell me the truth. This show up a retardation. When me tell you say a whole heap of people retarded on the app, wouldn't believe me, you know. Look on the retardation, yeah. Then who really grip CuteBoss ear side now? Tell me the truth where God love Lionel. Oh, you mean doesn't mix say there for it? Eh, look here. Look on the ear side, yeah. Look on it. A fat, hey, the skin off from the back, you know. Hey, I'm from around here, so you can't know, you know. Hey, me I tell you, say when mascot I give you a Kingston, a CuteBoss head the line. Yeah, then Tia Bar spot never come up here, so. Tia Bar spot come right here, so. And then she a work a class people. And you see the emoji pan her belly. Me not show you the shots. Yeah, man, the emoji pan her belly. It's like them says a line in our script. No man, them people are really out to order. For sure, come global, big up yourself. I'm glad you see CuteBoss sketch. Them can't wait from around here, so. No, me no want God sing you for your Sabbath, my baby. But look at it, for sure. You know see it? And the emoji pan her belly. The emoji pan her belly, me love. Yeah man, them gather our thoughts. Me say CuteBoss are thinking a one. CuteBoss, our thoughts sketch up. Yeah man, them gather our thoughts, you know. Me say all that supposed to make her eye can shut. She's supposed to look like the real original Chinese. Now, me that charge the hairdresser. Me that beat up the hairdresser. It's like how the hairdresser will put the toupee in a Rosalie head miggle. The bald spot in a Rosalie head miggle. Remember them Rosalie do her hair, so it's still. Yeah, it's still like the gully bridge in front of me yard. So it must tight. Then which part ear did they saw? Which part it must tight now skin them them kin her skin. Eh? Well, I never see that. Them wicked to her, me nah lie. Try God bless, big up yourself. Them wicked to her for sure. Them gather her thoughts. And then she out her road that talk about girl look good. Me tell her say filter trick whole heap of people, you know. This cover say a skin row. And I can't write name. No man I pay Guinness book something there so a skin row. Eh? Is all this. I send me request. Sir go on man. Yeah. This cover say a skin row. Cause of the skin that catch, you know. CuteBoss she done a foreigner in the community same way at the paper she run from. She shall not escape it. At the paper she run from. Yeah. The paper she had done this and the bailiff. No, Kara, you see that skin row. The lady after branded. Which foreign she gone? Eh? Which foreign she gone? She still left on the bed with a sliding window. She still left on the bed with a toilet window, my love. Yeah? Yes, my love. She try to escape the paper. Copy and paste them. No man, I will put your style she have. Kingston to Mobay, we're there. She can't run from bailiff. She can't run from bailiff. Me go see how best Destiny can help her out. Destiny with the lean titty. Destiny will take the hormone pill and back here. So film Bersaganda film him have to talk to people. So yeah, I tell you now. I don't know when since Destiny get stroke. Destiny, yeah, I tell you the people because Destiny don't want the birth shift. Yeah. Miss J.A. Wagwan good house. Then Miss J.M. just show CuteBoss. You soon see screen record with CuteBoss hairstyle. And she a walk her mud people. You know the real karate show come out in the lady head. Yes, my love. And you share mud people about 40 days and 40 nights. Remember me not start my 48 with you, CuteBoss. Me make you go and run it. Me make you go and run it. And me not start my 40 with you. Ball Eagle, I go send you CuteBoss new hairstyle. And your emoji belly. And her skin how it pleated like PE skirt. Every time I see it, I think I sent up on the netball court. Yeah, because you know the center skirt them have to liquor. Then what a way them say AIDS rampant in a city Kingston. Then CuteBoss, you put the whole of Kingston AIDS for me. Eh? You so come tell me say I may sick of Kingston and run off. What a way AIDS rampant and 2 times you say you escape AIDS. I don't believe nothing what you say. I feel you have it, CuteBoss. I feel you have it and I hide it. Yeah? I don't trust nothing what I say. What a way AIDS rampant, you know, come up and talk about that, you know. You talk about me kill Anthony, you can't find Anthony. What have Anthony in a quote, you see that the man couldn't even talk. Him just a follow behind the background, so. CuteBoss, so you wicked, so. And you know, say your community, them always say AIDS full up down there. Your community, CuteBoss, what you say? And you not talk how AIDS and the rise in City Kingston. You know, says this girl. It's you, you know. And you want through the whole of Jamaica sickness for me. It's you, woman. Yeah. No, it's true, it's CuteBoss. No, Tony, it's CuteBoss. It's true, she said 2 times. She never hear nobody come out and confess that 2 times them escape AIDS. Then how you manage to escape AIDS twice, my love? Eh? And you know you just suck the man them would not bomb it off without condom. And you say raw dog. Eh? And you say raw dog. And you say latex rash you up. Come now, man. Me don't know how, yeah. Me don't know how she sit down so and say twice she escape them something the AIDS. Twice, me never hear nobody say them escape AIDS twice yet. Eh? I must escape on the treatment. CuteBoss, you're too wicked. You're too wicked. You know you're a little bit ill. It's showing your earline. It's showing your earline. I'm sorry I never have another phone for showing the picture. I want my iPad there. Let me go for my iPad, man. Yeah, man, because when I have the picture, you know, I can talk frivolously, frivolently, and all. Come through that, me. Oh, and I can't be the road for talking. So true, then Latin never see the lady airline. I say me not tell no lie. I first never see a Chinese African. I say them good parts, you know, a skin road, them say. Hold on, this a boot up. She immune. I showed them a while ago Lati, but I want it come up on this, man. I want it come up, I want my iPad come up, my tablet. Wicked and liar. Oh, wicked and liar, Dennis. What? Them a chat things, yeah. Them a chat things, my love, I'm in here. Yeah, true, I can't bother borrow back nurse phone, I can't bother upset her.
Upset who? Come sit all the panel.
That man didn't take it off a CuteBoss, man. Lati, see it here. See it here. And look on her face, you know, so she under great pain, you know. Look on her face. You see them here? Lati, then I wish part them grab this from. Me now show na Nessa Bling. Look here. Lati say AI. And where them grab this from, Lati? No, in a real life. Look there, it all look like it's sore. Where them grab this from? Them grab her ear, you know. Them grab her ear, man. How would this send me request? A rich foreign man this. Him not know who me, you know. Eh? Yeah, them grab up our thoughts in a one. By 12 o'clock, me I come after this. Come me have the road for touch. A hurdles them put in our head. Hurdles. You see her forehead shine like chevron? A hurdles them put in the lady head. Hurdles and she wanna argue with people. Me say no. Eh? Me know I-D-O-D. No. But remember me and the boy for a reason. Yeah, me and the boy forgot talk. I wonder if you Usain Bolt know them hurdles. Oh, Usain Bolt never used to do hurdles and me alone is sabbling. Yeah, them grab the discernment. Mister, them grab up the discernment for true. Me I come on back later. For today me and CuteBoss are going to pan live and we are host the program. We are host the program today. Me not done with emoji belly. Me not done with emoji belly. You know, see CuteBoss face like it. A CuteBoss belly like yesterday in the shots like it a smile with me favor Britney man Zozo. Yeah, it look like it all have been gap. Me not done with that yet. Tell me what time. Me don't know what time, but me I go on the road and you know so when time I go on the road and go up the road, me don't know what time me I go down. Yeah. Remember me not sell community crutches. After me not sell to taxi man, a CuteBoss job that. Yeah, me not sell to taxi man and me not pass a bar door with my front. On Friday, a CuteBoss job that. Go on here, girl. Yeah. No worry yourself. Hey, know what I mean? Yeah. Me not the Nessa come in and Nessa blame. You know see the emoji pan CuteBoss belly. That's why she can't show her stomach. And she want busy argue with people. She can't show her stomach, my love. And now her head said, me make the woman appear wear cap yesterday. Me make she come out in her cap yesterday, my love. Yeah, for the whole Friday she be cap and shots. Yeah. Yeah, for the whole time yesterday she be cap and shots. Bardora, Annie and Zoey job that. See it to blow. You know in time Zozo a Konsara smile. Tell me if I not eat this. CuteBoss belly this in the shop supposed to wear down, you know. And look how she dry it up like a high waist. Then CuteBoss never find the high waist shots. No the belly this. Look there. This look like it's a space teeth in her. No man a grind she in her belly. Man a sex out that tummy. No sir. And I didn't want to argue with people. I didn't want to argue with people, you know. Eh? Somebody say leave now. Hey, only can run myself. Eh? And if she want to argue with people, CuteBoss, my aunt to you. Me tell you, say my aunt to you, I come like a earring back behind your ears. My aunt to you. No, sister Winnie. Simply bliss, you see the emoji on her belly? Yeah man, the lady a beat an emoji stomach. Ah, you're proud of your one, that's why I want to ask her if she get chopped in her belly. Eh? If them bring through puppy to her belly. You understand me? Because we know cesarean though. But be proud of your stretch marker, your chop, you go like you're a good girl and your skin pleated like PE skirts. Eh? No talk truth. Be proud of where you come from, be proud of where you're born with, be proud of what happened to you in your life because you give birth. Yeah, I the belly and I turn the little hipster shots in the highways. Me not like that, man. Me not like that. Me not like that. Yeah, if a stretch mark you have for your belly, because me loves the stretch mark on belly. Me loves the stretch mark on belly. It's shocking though, but me, a stretch mark is something me just love sip on people belly. Me not tell no lie. Me likes the stretch mark on belly. But if you know you have a face for your belly, call it emoji. Call it emoji. You turn your hipster shots in the highways because CuteBoss belly favor one big hole. CuteBoss belly favor one use pum pum. You know one journey crashes. Yeah, hide it. And I go like say you're young when you know you're done. Yeah, she have a laughing emoji on her belly and a vexed face. For sure. From your head to your tummy, not ready. You can imagine your pony. Me could sit down so CuteBoss me now leg off a red peas Saturday. A red pea soup Saturday, CuteBoss me now leg off of you. You remember you said 40 days, I mean I start my 40 days yet, you know? Me not start my 40 days yet. Yeah? Me not start my 40 days yet. Me I make you go and run your show. Give me your phone now. No, my baby. Look here. Come here. Come here. Imagine the lady up and about and attack. When me tell her about her false teeth, she never bother come back to me about Shebada, me a hear teeth yellow like, if my teeth even yellow, my mouth clean, ask anybody one thing with me and the dentist is a thing where they come have to lay down in him chair and make him saka my mouth. Me not ask you when me done all my gum bleed. You never know. I'm so glad you're not my enemy. Hush, my baby. Hush, and I'm not your enemy. You're not my enemy. Hush, hush. Hush. No, but I choose something me attack, man. Yeah, for true. And when you look on CuteBoss, when you say, I'll teeth them separated from the front one, them like she a big partition. Hey. CuteBoss, are you belly this, you know? Tell me the truth. CuteBoss, you beat a person. You're beating a person in your stomach. Look on CuteBoss belly. No man, CuteBoss, I beat a person. I really belly this, you know, people. All we do is just get vision. A vision we give belly because that's an emoji for real. Look, no man, no. No, me give up. Me give up. I guess them say you're chewing the towel. Eh? Teardrops they on your belly, my baby. Your belly vex. It's a sad stomach you have. CuteBoss have a sad stomach. Right now, me give you work for do. Overtime for your nastiness. Yeah? You see, I believe you have a SpongeBob friend from under the sea, though. I believe you have a Patrick. Yeah, Patrick. From under the sea, oh my. CuteBoss are just 6 minutes, me have I'm not done with it for the day. Remember the morning just like? Yeah, Patrick. Remember the morning just like, are you alone have a famous belly? Them can put your belly on Disney and Nickelodeon. No, for sure. Then you can imagine when we're done with all your skin and we just go by your corner, your skin row. We just go by your skin row, you know? We just go by your skin row. Yeah, idea belly CuteBoss, you're wrong. I did something Tamara should I argue with you about. Tamara not argue with you all now. Tamara for just mock you a bee, you have a sad belly, a bee, emoji belly, a bee. Tamara not argue with you. Ugly worker. Ugly, them say you no name CuteBoss, you name Ugly Boss. Come in a Ugly Boss. Cause nothing cute boy yo. Nothing cute boy yo. Eh? Not one earthly thing cute boy you CuteBoss. Me nah leg off of you. So you could have run up and down the papers, them still a come. We are going to the yard with the wall and the rubbish pan and the slide window. If I even put you it by your bed when you're asleep. Yeah. Nothing boy you not cute. Nothing, your belly ugly. Your belly ugly, your teeth ugly, your earline ugly. Who this has send me request? Eh? Shady husband. What kind of man did me send me request? When this has send me request, I know no want me. You don't want me now when age rampant in a Kingston. Leave me alone. Leave me alone because I don't know who a carrier from who a lender. Eh? You know your CuteBoss here 2 times she done this and the AIDS. And she don't know say cock up is a 10 and tips is a out. Eh? Eh? Them lock up 6 TV for her. She be a wake up, yes. Them lock up 6 TV for her. A K Crutches do it, you know. You know say K Crutches do it. Yeah, come in here say K and 6 TV did there. And then she moved to Pops YG. She lick down the internet, you hear Crutches say rankers. Eh? Yeah, lick down the internet, K. Come in here say K did there with 6 TV for true. And then now me hear say Pops YG lick her down. Yeah, so K about TikTok Crutches. That's why I not shop online, you know, I not do online. Then, no Miss J, then Pops little bodies, Pops little water was supposed to last in a K belly. Cause Cause if 10 point look high and thick and bigger than Pops YG, and then Pops not even look like him underpants them fit him good. He look like them fit him like old man. Me like Pops little bit in about when me hear him sleep and him mouth run. Me can't bother wipe up nothing in morning time cause me I think of me piss. You can't imagine how Pops pill are sour. Eh? Pops pill are supposed to sour. No sir. And then Kay have her body, me say Kay come out strong pan candy and from them talk say she and Pops go and I don't hear nothing from Kay when they shot take care of Kingston. Eh? Kay! Good ass, call Kay for me now. Kayona. Yeah. Knock her window. No, she not have the sliding window like CuteBoss. She not beat the bathroom window in the bedroom. You knock it? You hear her? Tell her me I talk to her little. Kay! Come here girl, sorry for week. Didn't I so late you sleep? Pops mouth water in your old man. I so late you sleep. Look here, you get Kingston teacher name yet? Kingston teacher, your son. So call Tamika. So with the aggression for kid, me tell you about your mother. Oh you mean if I that me wake you up for you go like you sleep for no reason? Me see them get the people aggressive, you see. Me just simple ask, what she slam her window? Man, you broke the louver glass. I think she's out of Lando kitchen, she take the window, yeah, you know. I have a strong feeling out of Lando kitchen. Because a girl like you, now push back out your head. You say you go sleep, what you argue with me for? Oh you mean you do your body, you can't buy anything. You do your body and never buy the stand up. Remember you alone stand up with your surgery wrong? Cause you have to brace and push up. Move from yourself. Your front favor helmet. She's argue with me son. And I'm not trouble, I'm just simply ask her a question. You hear the aggression? These people cannot live loving nowadays. These people, what she say? What you say? Now, you know me not trouble people on the app. You know I don't trouble people on the app, K. Me just simply ask you a question if you know a Kingston teacher name. Suppose me did ask you what color do Kingston classes. You da fight me in your sleep. No, but me not say nothing bad. No, you pick me. Oh. 10 pints still a bleach? You see much information you give me though? Shana Chin no send me. But Kay, how you make the dog grab the meat out of your hand? How you make the dog grab the meat out of your hand, Kay? Are you alone eat box food and eat up the rest and leave the meat? That's why the dog gone with it. She argue with me and you go to her, yeah, go wash your face. Your teeth them big like picket fence. Not to mention how broad your mouth be. That's why them say anything you want no woman crutches, check her mouth. Is you that? Me say every time you talk to me, me think you're with the use of the thing. And your mouth broad care for no reason. All your sleep supposed to wide. You and Pops YG really agree. I call anybody name out of my mouth, K. I call anybody name. Cause remember you sex the boy for the pig money. Cause you see the boy you raise and you go give me your crutches. Then I saw your crutches willing to drove a witness. Your crutches just a walk and minister from gate to gate. So you are 6 TV never did the... She call long people for me. She call long people. I mean not just simple attack, you know, she call long people for me. I can't argue with you with crowd. Me not like this. You show me up too much. I can't argue with that with crowd. Yeah. I can't argue with that with crowd. She call long people for me. Yeah, she can't argue alone. You see it? She defensive bad and she just weak. No, she... Came here look for she. She... What's that? Can't give me attitude. Can't give my attitude, can't say all that favor. I know you this time, my baby, a cute boss. Our stomach. I saw your belly ugly to okay? Cause the whole of you a big pleat, you know. You look like she'll come out. She'll come out. I come here, come out. Can you take long for come out though like your apartment big? It's a 10 apartment you live in a Kakafacha push back her head through the window. Somebody block the door. You look like bed in front of the door. Somebody block the door, my love. She'll take long for come out like it's a 10 apartment she live in. I want okay. And Kay know she not have no money, you know. Kay, let me tell you this. You're not gonna sit down at your window and argue with me, no lady. You're not gonna sit down at your window and argue with me. They say come out the door because me and you 3 little birds sit down my doorstep. Yeah, Bob Marley, come out the door, come argue with me. Yeah, cause you sit down at your window like you're silly. After me now look you came, me not do your species. Come out, come argue with me because 10 points gone with your purse. From the boy gone with your purse, you can't hold a relationship. He look like him gone with all your green card them too. Cause I only used to have a walker issue, man. Move your nasty big head self from your son. Go take off your ear, because see the size of your head. I want it for size 29. Lord Jesus, me no mix up with Shay again. Size 29. No, sir. Me no mix up with Shay. Shay and you me attack this time. Me just use your foot size pancake head. Something wrong with that? Me just ask you if something wrong with that. Cause Shay touch you know. Me don't know how she in a lesbian relationship and full of attitude, so you're going like a period you're married to. You're full of too much attitude, man, Shay. Move from here, so. Yeah. You're going like your hormone them arise. I know you may attack this time. Edmund there. I know you may attack this time, Edmund there. What a girl head big. And can you really put on wrap on your head? Can your head big do you know? It's a big ratted head that girl you have. All man not up for your head. Man not up for your head. Yeah. Man not up for your head. No, for sure. I don't know what to do. No man, my time got. You know, say, I don't like one upon this. One couldn't tell me, say, me tell you, say, me I come up X, Y, and Z, 12 o'clock. One couldn't tell me, say, my time up. One couldn't tell me that. That's why I don't do live phone, you know. That's why I don't do live phone, no. You know, say, I don't like people scam me. I don't like people scam me. Every time it's done, you know, I don't know, I come on for 5 minutes a day time. I would just send my request team active. I own them team active. I over slime this. Slime and Jaden no make it up yet. I say from Jaden left slime mad out. Boy, me I tell you, man to man relationship really strong, you know. Man to man relationship really strong. Somebody say me want some clothes, then Kevin you pass naked. Kevin me look good naked. Me never go in a boy yet in a clothes. The boy always say strip. So clothes no matter. Him now watch H&M. Oh, him now watch H&M, Kevin. So when you say I want some clothes, Kevin, I don't want no clothes. My body look good, no blow. I can't walk naked. The last time K she dress up. The last time K dress up in a shape body in her clothes because she not have no stand up. She not even walk with the them girls stand. So Kevin, what you mean I want some clothes? I don't want no clothes. I come for show you my skin. And my skin I come for show you. I know say Kevin want me, but I don't want Kevin. I don't want Kevin at all, my love, because I never see nobody get back as in a closet. That simply means that the relationship not real. Boy tell me strip, lay down on bed and I jump on the Eiffel Tower. I feel like Zoey, my belly a cramp me. I feel like Zoey, what you say? Kevin gone already? Kevin, where you run gone? You don't like when me you talk? You don't want me any reason? Come on, we clothes are going at them time, yeah. We clothes really are going at them time, my baby and the body me I look. Body, me I run down cocky like crazy. Remember my cocky craving? I'm a body hungry. What you say? We not neighbor Ken? So when you come away, push your head through the window, call me drunk, bro. Eh? It all depends on how you're drunk or pronounced. But me not say nothing about it. Me beg the girl call you. Girl, now you may beg call Kay. And though she answer you good. So why she talk to me? So Kay, where you eat me for? And I meet on Paris in a butch. Where you eat me for, Kay? Kay, me no want dip up underneath you because it's a dog gone with the nature. Me no want dip up underneath you. Why you make the dog leave him teeth mark in your nature? Oh, you mean you come out here so to me care a long time you come out so we can reason like 227. Right. Me not shoveler. Me not shoveler, you know. Me not shoveler. Auntie no want leave me right, me forgot to me I go with. Care to be continued. October 1. Big up on a nice clean stay good self. Me a press you now here. Oh, come in and know what the Edmunda. I want the Edmunda. Eh? Me da spit in your wig. Me da spit in your wig. Your wig can't. Me not tell you your wig coming like it have cancer. Oh, it's scanty so. It's scanty like CuteBoss head side. Oh. CuteBoss can take some of the ear them off our front and line, yes. You can't take some of the dreadlocks off of your pum pum CuteBoss and line, yes, and then fade it. Yeah, man, your head side want decoration. They want to decorate your head side, yeah. Me not ask you. Yeah. No man, me are going now, not too bloodshot. Come off of this song, boy, man. Not too. I will class the whole I want upon, eh? And now you me attack this time, girl. I said to be continued. To be continued. Can you teeth them dull? I want to buy you one daylight bulb for your mouth. Or you teeth them dull so them faggy. You teeth them faggy like you did eat a batty, man. Yeah, teeth them faggy, you see them dull. Me love on here. Lick out more. No, Anne-Marie, me I come off now. Fear is fear, me love you now. See you guys later. Big up on yourself, Lady Mark. Bell, big up on yourself. I love you guys so very much. If I stay here, so we do the in a mix up. Hey, your AC I make nice. Hey. How we are called drunk? I'm just simple. So we not neighbor.